This Ramadan, our community came together with a heartfelt mission. We aim to replace the carpet of our beloved masjid, promising to complete the installation before ul-Adha. Alhamdulillah, by the will of Allah, our promise has been fulfilled. Our journey began with your generous donations. Each contribution, whether big or small, played a vital role in turning our vision into reality. With the funds raised, we were able to start the transformation of our masjid. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our dedicated volunteers. Their tireless efforts day and night ensured the masjid was ready for the new carpet. From cleaning and removing the old carpet to unloading and preparing the new one, their dedication was unwavering. As the new carpet was installed, the beauty and tranquility of our masjid were renewed. The fresh, vibrant carpet not only enhances the spiritual ambience, but also provides comfort to all who come to pray. Together we have made a lasting impact on our masjid. As we gather for prayers, especially during ul-Adha, let us remember the strength of our community and the blessings of our unity. Alhamdulillah, and thank you all for your unwavering support. Special thanks to Masjid Direct for expertly fitting the new carpet, Medina Carpet for their invaluable assistance and support, and Kacha Bazaar, along with Wades Ellie for helping us unload the heavy carpets.